Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be installing some components from Racebred Components. One of the problems that you generally have with your race car is you take the carpet out, or let's just say you have an old car like a Miata and the carpet's really worn through. Well, they make this nice little footrest to level the ground that your feet are on, and it has a little grip tape for a little grippiness, and it allows you to kind of place it at a height which you deem most akin to wherever you want it to be, so that you can actually have better feel of the pedals themselves. It's a nice little piece that can quickly add to the overall ergonomic feel of the car. People often overlook the ergonomic feel of the car. Simple things like the distance of your hand to the steering wheel, the bend of your leg to the pedals, and in this case, your feet placement on the pedals themselves, as well as the amount of grip that you actually have on the floorboard itself. So this is a simple, easy, affordable piece that you can put in that allows you to have better tactile feel to your pedals. And overall, it's very sleek looking. It's, you know, something that you can easily install. It's adjustable, so you don't have to be completely perfect when you install it. But overall, it's a great little piece of kit that Racebred Components have made that will allow you to have a better feel in your car. All right, let's go install it. Once I get the position set up, obviously test fitting, standing in and out of the car a few times. Once I get a general idea of where I want to put it, I'm going to check underneath the car and ensure that there's no issues of any items under the car, like brake lines or fuel lines or anything of that nature. Once that's all completed, then I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes, set the riv nuts, then I'm good to go. So now, after I went through, test fitted, pushed on the pedals, making sure I know kind of where I want it to be, I can mark some holes and then drill it. And now we're going to riv nut. Now to the fun part. So obviously we're trying to go through here, through this. Okay, now we're gonna try this again. So we got the right size. I only wanted a 1/2 inch rise on the Miata. Alright, well that's it. So the easy level is pretty easy. There's only one real special tool that you really should have, which is a riv nut gun, but they do supply hardware where you don't need a riv nut gun, but it definitely makes it nicer to install and uninstall without having to reach under the car. So other than that, it's all good. Overall, another quick and easy installation. Product looks great, and now I have a flat, level floor to rest my feet on while I drive my Miata. The little joys in life.